Very good morning to all of you, and once again we are back with class 3rd computer science. Okay, in the last class we have started the chapter 5 where we have discussed about what is internet and then some of the important, we have started the topic, some important uses of the internet, where we have discussed about the two different uses. One was in the field of learning, that is in the field of education, and the second one is in the field of communication. Now we move further, and today we will discuss the third feature. So first of all, the uses of the internet. Uses of the internet. Okay. The third topic is build networks. Build network or build network, or you can say social networking. You can say in the other terms social networking. Okay. Now the term build network is related to building up of the relationships, with the family members, friends, and some other person to whom you do not know physically, you do not know him by face, but on the virtual world, over the internet, you can come in contact with that particular person, and you can be a good friend of him or her. And so this type of building up of relationships are known as build network, or like some of your family members or your friend is living far away from you, and it is not possible that you can meet him or her very frequently, or you are not able to contact them frequently. So through the internet, there are different platforms are given to us, or there are different platforms available through which we can come in contact with our good ones, like your friends and the previous colleagues, like your classmates, those who are earlier studying with you, but with some, due to some reason, they have left that particular place, they went to some new place and took admission in the different schools. But now, as when you both were together, you are a very good friend, but nowadays you are not able to contact each other. So there are different platforms over the internet which helps us to get in contact with such people, such friends, colleagues, or the family members, and you can continue to be in the touch with them. It will help you to keep your relationship healthy. Okay? So building the network, you can continue to be in the touch with your friends and the previous colleagues with the help of internet. There are quite few social networking websites. Now, what are the social networking websites? I think that most of you are very well known or familiar with that particular one of the social networking website, that is Facebook. Okay, you can say the social networking websites. So example of social networking website is the most famous one nowadays is Facebook. Okay, you can have your account there, and from there you can get into the search of your friends, and nowadays we hope that almost everyone are being a frequent user of this particular social networking platform, and from using this platform you can be in the touch with your family members, friends. You can share among with them your thoughts, your pictures, your images. Okay, you can even chat with them. Okay, some other networking sites are like Google Plus, and LinkedIn. The Google Plus is also a social networking website. It is also a social networking website, but it is not so common within the users throughout the world. Okay, the most common and the most famous social networking website in current situation or current time is the Facebook. But another one, the LinkedIn, is the social networking. Generally, it is social networking websites for the professional people, those who are in search of some new jobs, or they are in business related persons, or within some professional peoples are coming here, contact each other with meet the new clients or search for new jobs. Okay, so this is the building of network or building of social network. Okay, so if you want to ask what is the use of internet in the field of your networking, is the builder network. That means to build a network with our friends and relatives, classmates, to whom we are not able to contact or meet easily. Okay, the use of social building or the use of social networking is to build a network with our friends, relatives and classmates to whom we are not able to contact or meet easily. Okay, and it helps us to keep our relationship healthier. Okay, so this is one of the purpose of using the internet service. Okay, the another most important service is e-commerce. The fourth one is e-commerce. Okay, it stands for its full form is E for electronic commerce, and the word commerce has been taken from the field of business. Okay, so if they are performing any business related issues or any where the money is involved, it is generally known as commerce. Okay, it is taken from one of the subject. Okay. Okay, and E stands for electronic. So e-commerce, it stands for electronic commerce, and it helps us to enable us to buy or sell the product over the internet using electronic currency, using the electronic currency. Okay, now example of e-commerce are Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and etc. Many more other websites are there. Okay, so the e-commerce, it stands for electronic commerce, and it enables us to buy or sell the product over the internet using the electronic currency. Now, what is the use or the purpose of why we are using this? Okay, as in the current scenario or the situation. Okay, so suppose that as there was, you are not allowed to go out to the marketplace or to the malls or the shopping malls, as everything was closed down. So, if you want to purchase anything like any new toys, clothes, books, whatever it is, or so you can directly go to the different websites. There is different websites or the platforms which are giving you services of e-commerce, where there are different thousand number of products are available there, and you can choose the product of your choice and you can order it, and they will deliver that particular product at your doorstep, okay, at your home. So this type of buying and selling of the product or the goods can be used, and the most important thing is that through this it saves our time, and we come into and we have different large number of choice. Suppose that you want to buy a new clothes for yourself. Okay, you go to the one. If you take a general example, you go to one shop, you didn't like, you move to the another shop, then third shop, next shop, and like this you go on. Okay, and suppose like this you visited the 8th or 9th shop, and there you like one dress for yourself or outfit for yourself, and then you purchased it or buy it. Okay, but it is okay that you visited so much different types of shops and you have seen the different outfits. It is okay, but the most important thing is that your time. It took nearly or almost a big major part of your life, that is your time, the wastage of time. Okay, whereas this particular websites or the platforms are available you everything at your doorstep. You do not have to go out to the market. Okay, in the public places, you can directly by through your smart devices or through your computers or laptops, you can open the particular websites, and then you can go through the different products, and from there you can choose the particular outfit of your can order it and they will deliver it at your doorstep. And the most important thing is that the use of electronic currency. Okay, if you are going to the marketplace, either you have to carry the cash, or you have to carry your credit card or debit card of your parents with you as you are going with your parents. Okay, there must be a chance of that you may lose the money or you lose the cards. Okay, but if you are using the electronic currency, once you have registered your card to that particular website, just you have to give your password and you can purchase. So there is no case of fraud. Okay, so this is how the e-commerce services, in the field of e-commerce services, the internet is generally used. The internet technology have advanced so much that like buying goods from nearby store by giving the cash is done. The buying goods from e-commerce companies by using electronic currency is now possible. Okay, earlier if you have to buy the goods, you have to go to the particular store. You went there and it may be chance that at the time you reach to that particular store, that product is finished there. It is not available. But if you go here at your home only through your mobile phones or through your smartphone devices or your computers or laptop, you can go to the different websites or the platforms of e-commerce and you can get that particular product and you can order it by yourself. So you can buy your clothes, books, computers, cooking pans, chocolates, everything you can think of from these online stores. Okay, and the examples as I have given you, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal are the such companies that sell goods like this. Okay, the another category of usage is for the business purpose. The field of business. The field of business. Okay, now suppose that you are there and you have started some new product, you have started some new business for yourself or your family has started some new business and you have to advertise and you are producing or manufacturing some different products. Okay, you are manufacturing a different products under your business. But in order to sell that particular product, the most important thing is that it is for advertisement of that particular product. Okay, so if you want to advertise your product, what you can do, either you go to the shop to shop, you visit each and every shop, you show them your particular product, you explain about it and you will have to explain the advantage. You have to tell them to everyone what is the advantages of using your product and you have to compare it with other products. Okay, but through using the internet, now this particular task has become very easier. So in the field of business, if you have business that you want to advertise and you can do so easily by maintaining a website over the internet. Okay, so what you can do for business purpose, you can create or maintain maintain your own website and you can advertise your products on it, and through this particular website, you can reach to the peoples throughout the world. Okay. So, in the field of business, how it is useful? Suppose you have started a business of yourself. You have started your own business, and you have started manufacturing some product. You have started manufacturing some product within your organization or within your business, and you want to advertise. So in general way, what you have to do is that you have to visit shop to shop, or you have to go door to door. You have to go door to door to meet the different peoples, and you have to explain about your products, and then you have to compare with the earlier similar products which are already available in the market similar to your products, and you have to compare and tell that what is going to be an advantage of using your product. But if you use the internet, it is very easy that you can create or maintain. You can take a help of different developers, and you can ask them to create a website for you. You can ask them to create a website for you, and through this particular website which has been created for you, you can advertise your product throughout the world. You can advertise your product on this particular website, and you can reach to the different part of the world. And so now you can see the difference. If you go door to door, it will be possible that you will only able to cover the small distance only. If you go to door or meet person to person, in few months or in few years, you will only be able to cover or advertise your product within a particular city or town area. Whereas if you use the internet and you advertise your product over the internet, then it is a chance that you can reach to the different part of the world, and you can reach to the people throughout the world. So in the field of business, many websites advertise themselves on search engine results and pay the search engine maintainer money. Okay, like on Google itself, you can pay a money to Google, and you can advertise your product over there. Okay, or nowadays when you are browsing the web, YouTube, when you are open the YouTube and you start playing some video, immediately, mostly just before every videos which you play on the YouTube, there is a small advertisement is there. Okay, there is a small advertisement. So through the advertisement, you can even advertise your product with the help of Google or YouTube or different advertising channels. Okay, and you can, and in return of that, you have to pay money for that particular advertisement to that particular search engine or the website on which you are advertising your apart from this, okay, now this is all about the most five. These are the five most important uses of the internet in our day-to-day life. First one was learning. Second one was communication. Third, building a network, that is social networking. And fourth, e-commerce, where we can buy and sell the products online. Then in the field of business. Okay. Other than that, it is also really easy to use, especially on graphical user interface operating system. When in the graphical user interface, it is very easy to use the internet facilities. And to visit the websites over the internet, you need to have and some have different softwares or the applications which are already installed on your computer or available on your computer. Through that, you can reach to the different services over the internet and you can use them. Okay, like other uses, general uses along with this are like playing the games, entertainment, reading the books. Okay, some other uses are like sixth one, online gaming. Seven, in the field of entertainment. Okay, then so these are the two other important aspects. Now, online gaming. I hope that you all are familiar with this particular term, online gaming, and I hope that most of you are using it. Now, it is very common among the children, but the addiction to this gaming are very harmful to our personal health. So, I request you that if you are playing it regularly, so it is better to avoid it. It is better to avoid it. The second important use is entertainment. In the field of entertainment, like if you want to listen to some new songs which are released, or you want to suppose that you are traveling to some place, you are traveling, and while traveling, what you can do? You can use the internet facility and you can either listen to the songs, music, even watch the videos or movies online, or even you can get access to the 1,000 numbers of books are available online. Okay, different books, or there are different platform or websites are there which are available in the different books or the contents, and you can go through that particular book and you can read the different books from different authors. Okay, so this is how we come to this particular topic, the uses of the internet, and I hope that you all have understood all these 7 points which we have discussed within the topic uses of the internet. Okay, in the next class we will start from what is the web browser, how to open or how to get access to the different informations within the through the internet, or we will learn about what are the advantages and the disadvantages of using the internet. Okay, now as we told that there are many important uses, different uses are there of internet in our day-to-day life now. It has become the part of our life, but still there are some disadvantages of using this, and in the next class we will discuss all about that. Okay, till that time I thank you and have a nice day.